UDigital Edu is a research group at the University of Girona which develops projects in the field of education, technology and international development with a multidisciplinary approach. The team is composed of 17 members which have very different research backgrounds, from both the science, technology and humanities. Since its beginnings in 2010, UDigital Edu designs learning experiences such as projects, workshops and trainings for children and young people by combining technology, science and art, with the purpose of encouraging creativity, critical thinking and teamwork. During the past 9 years, UDigital Edu has coordinated and participated in several national and international projects focused on disadvantaged groups and children from vulnerable families and communities, with the aim of promoting inclusion by designing creative learning activities for their schools. The main goal of the group is to help children and young people from vulnerable communities to become change makers, developing a voice of their own while learning to use technology as a way of expression and creation.